So you might be wondering how much is it to sell on Craigslist, and you're also wondering whether or not it is free to sell on Craigslist. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimu from App Guide, and in today's video we will discuss what Craigslist is about and whether or not it is possible to sell on Craigslist for absolutely free. So obviously what you want to do is first of all open up your browser and then navigate to the Craigslist website over here. You might find people posting so many type of different activities and so on. You might be finding for sale and so on, but you might be wondering that as a seller, is it actually free to post on Craigslist? Well, the answer to your question is that yes, Craigslist is completely free to use. You don't have to pay even a dollar or a penny in order to post on Craigslist. So all you need to have is a Craigslist account, which you might need to register it via your email or your phone number. We've already created a dedicated video on how you can create a Craigslist account and start selling right away. Now after you've created a Craigslist account, you can see on the top left it says create a posting. When you click on it, you will be able to create a posting depending upon your own categories, niches, your own products, and you can simply enter your replies as well as your emails, your phone number, in order for the customers or the viewers who are interested in your products to contact you. But keep in mind that Craigslist is the official free website and you can choose it and you can sell anything on it. Of course, there are some type of guidelines, which is of course on every e-commerce site and platform, but obviously the way to post on Craigslist is absolutely free as long as you have a free account as well. Hope this video cleared your confusion. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.